Hello, it's Halloween week. We're going to practice reading fluently, which means not reading like a robot, but reading until we can read and sound when we're reading almost like we're talking. Okay? So, your grown-up might need to help you find your thing. In your My Home Learning Activity Pack, please turn to the page. It says Monday at the top of the page. Okay? It says, "What do you see?" So this is a play, okay? And you're going to practice being both the zombie boy and you're also going to be the zombie girl. I see sight words. Hot diggity dog. I see the sight word I. I see our new sight word, C. And I see our sight word A. So you're going to practice reading this with me one time. And then you're going to practice reading it with your grown-up and by yourself a whole bunch of times today. And then tomorrow we're going to read it together, all together. I'm super excited. Okay? So this is what you're going to do. So when you're reading it, you're looking at yours normal. Okay? All right? Ready? So I'll hold it like I'm normally looking at it. You're looking at mine for now. Okay? I'm using my pointer finger. I see a, you can either look at the picture clue or the word cat. I see a cat. I see a clown. I see a witch. I see a ghost. So I read it once. Now I'm going to keep reading it until I can read it more like when I'm talking. Ready? I see a cat. I see a clown. I see a witch. I see a ghost. I'm going to keep going. I see a cat. I see a clown. I see a witch. I see a ghost. Did you see how the more I practice, now I've been doing this a little longer than you, so I could do it quicker. You're going to keep reading it, keep looking at those words, remembering what those words are when you're reading and practicing them, okay? I can't wait to hear you read tomorrow. All right, that's it. So practice your fluency, practice your sight words. I see a, maybe if you're looking for a challenge, you can work on sounding those words out. Okay? Great job. I can't wait to see you read tomorrow. Bye.